Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be working on a 2020 GT86, and it belongs to Joey, which is right here. And today we're going to be putting on some CNT racing headers, and then we're going to use a Vibrant Performance O2 Bung as well. And I think that's it, huh?
Down pipe.
Oh, and then we got a down pipe and a mid pipe, right? So we're gonna put that on today, and I think the car's already tuned for these specs. This is what, Nevada only?
No.
Or
it's not California legal.
It's not California legal, so Joey actually had to go to Nevada and pick it up.
Joey lives in Nevada.
Yep. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna actually show you a before and after of how the car sounds like. It actually sounds good. It sounds good like that too. Man, it's gonna be loud, huh? It's already pretty, it's gonna sound good. But yeah, so we're gonna do take off the headers first.
Yeah.
Let's see. This is how the 2020 GTA 6 looks though. Smells nice and fresh in here. Got the 86 floor mats. What model is this one, Joey? Okay, so this is where we're at right now. Just got the mid pipe off. Still working on the headers. Okay, so we ran into a little bit of issue. These bolts for this section right here, it's seized up. It's racing WD-40, but it's not budging. The car is cool, so I don't know. So what we're gonna do is probably just cut them off and then see what we could do. So got the saw here, and we're just gonna chop off the bolts. We don't have an angle grinder, so I'll show you guys what we do after. Alright, we finally got it off. This was a pain to get out. This is the other one, and then this is what we had to do. We had to cut it from here and here because it's seized up and it wouldn't even budge, huh? So all we gotta do now is put it back on, and then is this off already?
Yep.
So we can just pull that off, and then show you guys when it's on. Still gotta figure out where that one goes. Probably on top. Is it O2 and wideband, or is it just two O2s?
I don't know.
But we'll figure it out, and then that's it. This is the new one. Looks good. You could put this in first before the headers. The headers are so small though. I don't think it matters. Yeah.
Do you know which one it goes to, Joey? This one and this one? This? Okay.
Yeah, we'll look it up. But man, 2-hour job turned to 4, remember?
Fucking jinxed it, bro.
I told you, it's never fast. Alright, we'll update you when it's done. Okay guys, so the headers are finally on, and man, it looks good. Too bad you can't see the headers from on top, but everything's bolted on. It's on tightly, and you guys can see it's all the way to the downpipe. No more cat, so it's gonna be pretty loud, and hopefully it sounds good. Okay, so what we're gonna do is turn on the car for like a minute or so, let the ECU adjust to it, and then we're gonna tune it accordingly to the headers, or like flash tune, right? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and turn it on, and then we're gonna let it run and see if there's any leaks.
to hold the.
Yeah, I did.
You're good, Joey.
Yep.
Hear the rumble.
Okay?
Yeah. Kind of sounds like the leak there.
No. Check the O2.
Huh?
Everything's good?
Yeah. You know what? Kind of hear
What?
did you find the header bolts?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everything's on. Alright guys, so that's it. Joey went home already. I'm re-recording my outro because I lost the audio. I just checked it. So it kind of sucks. Didn't get the exhaust clips that I wanted to. We could probably do it again when he comes back and we'll check it out then. But I did have a little clip of him leaving, and so I'll put that in so you guys can hear how the exhaust sounds like with the new headers. But that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. But hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later. Peace. Oh, shit. Neighbors are gonna.
What, you sad?
What?
Huh?
It's 'cause